Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Charles Schwab with the E-Trade. The first thing I'm going to compare or talk about is which I actually recommend. Then I'm going to compare fee structures, and then I'm going to look on like which is better from the customer perspective or which isn't. So let's start. Now both of these tools are great, but in my opinion the Charles Schwab is winning right now because Charles Schwab connected with a TD Ameritrade, and the Thinkorswim platform, it can be used on Charles Schwab, so this is huge. So even day trading is possible, option trading, and long-term investing with a stock holding too. In the past, if they wouldn't connect with the Thinkorswim, I wouldn't recommend Charles Schwab, only because Charles Schwab would be great for like long-term investing to stocks and ETFs. On E-Trade, when we talk about the fees, it's okay. Stocks and the ETF commission are completely for free. Same with the Charles Schwab. Also, when we look on options, 0.65 fee per contract. This is same with the Charles Schwab, so there is no different. Now, when you will use the Charles Schwab option, how you can actually invest some money, it's okay. Comparing to E-Trade on trading platform, again, it's okay. Both of these tools are great. And many times you just can't hear a lot of informations, and these comparisons are hard because they're both good. Now, also use Charles Schwab if you want to travel a lot, because they have a lot of travel benefits with their cards, and that's it. So yeah, both got banking background. The education, the customer support is great. The research is also really good. Charles Schwab with the Thinkorswim is a top notch right now, I think. And yeah, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, because I don't really know what else should I tell you about these platforms. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye.